What's up YouTube, Psychic Monkey, and today I'm going to show you how to pretty much do the cheat engine for the Binding of Isaac. So what you're going to want to do first is open the Binding of Isaac. Yeah, we got Mr. Cryboy. Alright, skip all this now. Press start, select, doesn't matter what character. And then, link description, there's a link in the description below that will have the, and then you're gonna need to, when you get the cheat engine open, so you're just gonna cover it up like that, you're going to go here. Another link in the description is going to be the CT file for Wrath of the Lamb version 1.48. You're going to open that up, so open existing file, open, and then you're going to click on this button, go to Isaac, EXE, open, and then you say yes, and then you have it. Today I want 2 times movement. I will have 2 times movement speed. Say I want max damage. I will have max damage. And then say I want there's another button. Where is it? Enable item. Oh, for some reason I can't click. Okay, now I can click it. Okay, so say I want 1 up. What you want to make sure, so it'll say 1 up, so I get 1 up. Say you want, if you want a 1 up, so I've got this little thing floating around. You want to make sure that when you're done with the item, you've already gotten the item. You want to uncheck it. Because otherwise it won't allow you to select another item, so that's something important to notice. So where's Dr. Fetus? Alright, there's Dr. Fetus, so we got Dr. Fetus now. Dr. Fetus is off. I'm gonna get infinite, no, wait, how about this? Let's do dinner. Please don't die. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna destroy those 2 flying. Zoop. Let's get the key. Okay. So we're just gonna keep eating dinner. And we're gonna give this a go. We're gonna do I guess a let's play. So I'm gonna move this, and we're gonna do a let's play with Dr. Fetus, 1 up, and full health. So let's get started. So I can see the boss room's up here. Oh, let's stop getting ourselves lunch. Wait a second, let me just do this. Actually, maybe advantage, give us homing, because I don't know if we can go all the way with Fetus. I think we can. Alright, let's do this. Okay, so screen's good. Ooh, found a secret room. Let's just go in there. We got nickel and pennies, or actually coins. Okay. Let's. Okay, so now we're good. Let's go. Isaac versus Gemini. Now let me see. Let's see. Ooh, it's lagging a bit. That's all. There we go. Yeah, missiles would be or homing bombs, not missiles. What am I thinking? Wow, we just got lunch when we just okay, whatever. Just keep going. Down to basement 2. Don't you hate it? Oh, his pants got pulled down. Oh. Alright. Now we're in the room with the mushroom dudes, or yeah, these guys. These guys don't do much harm. The key. We go in the room. Wait a sec. Alright, I'm good. Let's go. Boss room versus Feynman. Sorry about my arrow being it. This is just the easiest way for me to record, because if I record with Audacity, you guys will be able to hear pretty much. Oh, I had to deal with the devil there, but I didn't want to do it. It's alright then. I want to do a deal with the angel. I don't know. Whatever works. Alright, so now we're in... Oh, nice. We cleared that room very, very easily. Okay, put a bomb. Now it's these spiders that would homing bombs. I keep saying missiles, I don't know why. Up, there we go. Okay, we got a coin. And we got a tiny mini boss or something. That's my takeaway. Alright, let's just go. Nothing there. We got a heart. Don't need it because we got full health. Oh, we cleared our path for the 4 more just coins. It's alright. And a bomb. Helpful. So we got some. Sorry about the key clicking. This is the only way I can record. So until I get like, I don't know. I'm still trying to figure that out. I might have to, when recording these kinds of games or recording anything, I have a Black Widow mechanical keyboard, so as you guys already know. So I should go get those. So yeah, maybe getting just a, or I have a normal keyboard, just a $5, just, I don't know. That might not even help, but whatever. We'll see. If you guys have suggestions, just leave it in the comments. I've gained a few subscribers from the big Lost I got. Oh, sorry, sniffling. For some reason my nose is acting up. Okay, that boss was just super easy. I got some hearts, and we got some page input. So we got a couple nickels and some coins. Alright, we're already in the caves. And apparently Mom doesn't like us. Ooh, my nose. Okay, so we got these guys. These are very simple. Usually they don't have bodies, but apparently Isaac's mom just had a lot of children. So, you know. These are simple. You dodge the 4 bullets like that. Up, except for when there's that there, that's just really annoying. So I can pretty much do everything in one shot. Sorry about that. I can do everything in one shot. Oh, God, again. And that might kill me in the end, but whatever. And these leapers are super annoying. Why won't you die? Thank you. There we go. Oh, these guys are crazy for me. No! There we go, there we go, there we go. we got a 2 of clubs, so I don't know exactly what that does, but I think it does something good. So we got a lot of money, so let's spend it. Let's get, we want the Book of Revelations, I guess. Let's get a heart, and sure, a bomb. Alright, so we'll have to see what the Book of Revelations and this card does. We're going against Pestilence. We really should have more health. It's sort of unavoidable. Alright, that's the end of that boss. Let's see what the deal with the devil has. So we got the Pact. Okay, not bad. And I think actually, oh, deal with the devil went away. Whatever. With me, we're going down to the depths one. And he's at the toilet and people laugh at them. Now he's a crybaby. So now I have a tear and a bomb. Really helpful. It's going to be really helpful in these later stages. We apparently have golden poop as well now. I've never gotten this far in the Binding of Isaac, but it's because I have the fetus, of course, but, you know. Okay, don't destroy the nuke. Apparently, we picked up Meat Boy somewhere. Don't know why or how, or if that's what's supposed to happen, I guess. I don't know. Oh, probably gonna kill myself. I don't know. Alright. Ooh. Weird, guys. These are easy. That was easy. And there's a heart in there, but I'm gonna be risking half a heart. Is that worth it? Actually, I think it was because I glitched. I glitched the, how much money do I have? Let's just use it. Oh, maybe not. Maybe this wasn't worth it. I didn't realize that. Ah, actually, for a, let's just get this. Oh, apparently we got a Steam sale thing. 50% off. Wow. That's good for us. Or me. Oh, these guys are bad. I hate these. Ah, we got an enemy fly. I want to get that spirit heart. Maybe I can. Nah, it's not coming out. Alright. Chariot does. But I think I'm about to kill myself. I don't know why. Just think if I go in, just do that because all right, well, oh, I got a 1-up. Oh, I didn't even realize that. I forgot. Silly me. All right, and that wasn't very smart either. Apparently even touching the neutral fly isn't good. So I know the boss isn't this way, so I gotta go back. I gotta backtrack now. Sorry. So the boss must be down here. Nope, maybe not. I don't know. We'll have to see. And they're doing a lot of damage to me. I hope the boss is down here. It better be worth it. If I die here, this would just be really disappointing. What did I get? What the heck? This is so big. This level. I want like a compass or something. Oh, I'm missing a